Bombay High Court has granted bail to Jignesh Shah, the promoter of Financial Technologies Limited. He has spent more than 100 days in custody after being arrested in connection with the multi-crore fraud case at the National Spot Exchange Limited. Shah's bail surety is 5 lakh rupees, and he will also have to appear twice a week before the Economic Offences Wing of the Mumbai Police. That is on every Monday and every Thursday until further orders from the court. But for the moment, he has got bail with a surety of 5 lakh rupees, and he will have to appear before the EOW twice a week. The Bombay High Court has granted bail to Jignesh Shah. He is the promoter of the Financial Technologies India Limited, and he has spent more than 100 days in custody after being arrested in connection with the more than 5,000 crore rupee fraud at the National Spot Exchange. Megha joining us with all the details on this. Yes, Megha.
Well, the information is this, that Jignesh Shah, after being arrested on 7th of May, has today been granted bail by the Bombay High Court. The Bombay High Court had in fact reserved its verdict after hearing both sides on August 6th. The presiding judge, had then said that he wanted to look at a copy of the charge sheet before he decides on the merits of this case. And since the charge sheet was filed in the first week of this month, this verdict, of course, was awaited. And today, of course, the Bombay High Court has given bail to Jignesh Shah. We are awaiting details of exactly what are the conditions that have been put. All that we have a confirmation from the counsel of Jignesh Shah, and yes, the proceedings in the High Court side suggesting that he has been given bail. Of course, one of the arguments was on the grounds of parity, suggesting that all the other people who had been made and accused in the NSCL scam had been given bail. They were all out on bail, including Anjali Sinha. So why not him? But his was the last arrest in this particular case, and the most high profile, yes. But after almost 4 months now, he has been granted bail by the Bombay High Court.